Today, we're gonna try trimming the bushes with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought these trimmers for this tree in particular because it's getting a little bushy, and this was one of the cheapest ones that I found. The handles here are aluminum. You can see they are a little wider than they are thick, which is kind of nice. They have these plastic handles which seem to be pretty grippy. We also have these little switches right here, and these little switches are important because when I flip these little bad boys up, it releases these handles, and as you can see, they extend. So I get maybe 2 feet out of these handles, but it's kind of nice. If you don't need it, then you can kind of compress it all back. But if you do, and you want that extra leverage to trim branches and whatnot a little easier, you definitely want to extend these up. We also have little rubber stoppers right here when you're kind of bringing it closed. It also comes with this little plastic cover here. You can cover up those blades, and then you can see here we have a little knob to tighten down the bolt here. And then we have the shears on this end. You can see they're a little wavy, which I think is to help kind of grip branches and keep them from sliding out and being kind of pinched out. So the most important thing is, can we actually trim the branches here? Oh, you can see, cut through there, and that is pretty nice. This one is about the same thickness. I definitely like having the extra leverage here with the elongated arms, because those will probably be pretty hard to snip if these arms had been any shorter. All right. Well, it definitely helps to get the branch as deep into the blades as humanly possible. And that allows you to get a nice clean cut and use the least amount of effort. There we go. Hey, this thing works pretty nice, man. So that's the key. You want to get that branch in as far down here as possible to get as much torque on it. But once you do that, it makes trimming all this pretty easy. Hey, if you want to pick these up, I picked this setup because they were the cheapest ones I could find. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.